Want to create an amazing cinematic text effect in PowerPoint? Let's put a video inside text in just few easy tips. First, remove the default text box from the slide. Now go to the Insert tab. Click Video. Choose this device and insert your favorite video. Go to the Insert tab. Click Text box and type your text using a bold font for the best effect. Resize and position the text over the video. Now select both the video and the text. Go to the search box. Type Intersect and choose Intersect Shapes. To make the animation smooth, go to the Playback tab. Set Start to automatically and check Loop until stop. Now play the slideshow and enjoy your cinematic text animation. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative PowerPoint tricks.